if I want to match the properties of one object to another object, I can use the match properties command. On the CAD tab, you'll find the match properties command, and you're going to pick your source object. So that's the original object that you want the other objects to represent or to take on its properties. So when I pick this CAD polyline, it's going to ask me for my target object. You'll see the attributes or the properties that can be changed. What I can then do is pick the target object, which is the object I want to change. So if I select this one, you'll see that it automatically changes to that object or property. You can see it tells me one object's been changed. If I try to do this one, you'll see that it was skipped because it's different than the source object. Now it looks very similar to the source object, but if we take a look at the properties of this object, we know that it's CAD polyline. If we take a look at the properties of this one, we can see that it's a line string. So the objects have to be the same, so I can't change a line properties with text properties or vice versa. So the match properties will match like objects with the similar properties.